office in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elkhorn, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Muskego, Cudahy, Greendale, Pewaukee, Elkhorn, St. Francis, Heartland, Delavan, Hales Corners, Mukwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, and East Troy. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Border Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods